guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I was going to show you my fireplace mantle decorated for summer, but I was just so busy yesterday with running errands on my lunch, and of course I had to hit the Goodwill and the ReStore. As you know, I have been looking for a tall skinny dresser and a small cabinet, and I've just never been able to find anything. But right here behind me, check out what I got at the ReStore today. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it will definitely do. And it was only $90, and I will show you the close-up on that. Another thing, as you can see, it's pretty tall. I am 5'5", and I do have just my socks on. So you can see it's a pretty good tall piece. It does have a few nicks on it, which I'll show you some close-ups. So I'm probably gonna paint it. You know, the funny thing with this is when I first saw it, I wasn't sure if I wanted it. I stood it, looked at it, and I said, I'm gonna go look around, make sure. There were quite a few people in there. But I came back, it was still there, nobody had taken it, so I took a picture, sent it to my husband at work, and I typed in there, I said, can I get this? And I called him and I said, check your phone real quick, and he couldn't get it to upload on his phone, so I told him about it, and he said, just go ahead and get it if you want it, and I said, okay. So I had the guys load it in my SUV, barely fit, yeah, and I brought it home and I got it out and set it in the garage, and when we got home tonight we brought it here into our entryway. As I said, I'm probably going to be painting this, so let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. There's some really cute features in here, and luckily I got the key. All right, I got the key. Let's get it opened. Does need a lot of cleaning. So it has two shelves. They're stationary, so I'm not going to be able to move those. At least the glass isn't broken, but there's a few minor scuffs. Oh, I was going to show you the price sticker right there. And I noticed that this finial up here is loose, so I'll get that back in there. I'm on my tippy toes, can't see. So I will get that wood glued. Oh, and there's a chunk out of that, so that's not good. I'm not sure. This locked back up again. And there are a bunch of scuffs here. I don't think there's really anything on the sides. It's kind of. The only problem is there's some damage here and on the claws. Here, it's at the claw feet. And there's a little bit of damage right here. And here, and then there is a lot of pits on the sides there, and something's going on with the side piece right there. Let's go ahead and open this. I'm going to show you what is really cool on the inside. Now I'm not sure how I'm going to paint this because I don't want to mess with the inside. But look, there's this little door that opens up. Yeah, one thing I'm going to do is definitely get this cleaned out. And these little things on the side, on each side of the door, pull out. And you can store stuff in there. So it's like little hidden compartments. And let me back up a little bit so you can see how that's curved. It's all curved on the inside here. You can see that. Then you got the 3 drawers. And yes, we already checked to see if there's any goodies hidden in here. Of course, there's nothing. Wouldn't it be nice to find something in there? Okay, so we're going to shut that back up. And there are keyholes on all of the drawers, and they're all in pretty good shape inside, which is nice. And I do love the hardware on here. It might be, you know, a few stains in there. You know, and I'm really not sure what kind of wood this is. I just don't know. And the key does work for all of these. And I like how all these are curved, as you can see. It's got the curve to it. Well, that is going to be my new project. Don't know when I'm going to get started on it. I got so many things going on right now. But I'm thinking about doing it with the white and antiquing it like I did the bookcase, but leaving the insides, the brown. Not sure. I don't think I want to mess with painting the insides of everything. So let me know what you think on that. If you think I should just keep the insides the brown, or if I should try, I'll probably keep in here, let me get this to open again, brown. I think this is too much to do inside and all this, and just keep that the way it is. The only thing I might consider doing is inside here in the doors, painting that white. So give me your opinion on it. What do you think? I'm debating on it, on what to do. I do want to show you one thing that I did get done, a project on the weekend that was going to be in the video for the fireplace mantle, but that's probably going to be on hold until Friday because I do have to get my tablescape done on Thursday. So let's just kind of go into the family room there and I will show you the little project really fast. This is the trunk that I showed you before, and I will be showing you the before and after in my video on Friday. So that will do it for the video today. Like I said, got a lot of projects to do. I don't know when I'm going to get this done. It might be a couple more weeks. This weekend I have to get my pond up and running, and I will be showing a video on that. Tomorrow we'll be doing the tablescape Thursday, and I will show you what I'm going to be doing with that hot air balloon that I got at Goodwill the other day. Show you a little sneak peek at the plates that I got. I also got my new plate, so I'll be showing you that too. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate a big thumbs up from everybody. And if you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you'd hit that subscribe button down there and make sure you hit the bell for the notifications. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.